Is this kitchen tool worth your money? Welcome to Lucky's Kitchen, the place where we test kitchen gadgets so you don't have to. From chopping and slicing to spiralizing and more, we break down every tool clearly, quickly, and honestly. Today's product is the Spring Chef Stainless Steel Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. It's a set of measuring spoons designed for baking and cooking, and it focuses on accuracy, organization, and everyday usability. Package what this product is and who it's for. This is a set of stainless steel measuring spoons. It includes 8 spoons, along with a leveler for precise measurements. The set is designed for home cooks and bakers who rely on consistent measurements. It's also built for kitchens that value organization and durability. In real-world use, measuring spoons are a daily tool. Accuracy matters. Ease of access matters. This set is designed around both. Wrench key features and design. Each spoon is made from heavy-duty stainless steel. That gives the set a solid, durable feel for regular kitchen use. The spoons feature strong and 45 magnets. These magnets allow the spoons to stack together securely for storage. They separate easily when needed and reconnect cleanly afterward. The spoon shapes are designed to fit into most kitchen spice jars. That reduces the need to pour spices into a separate container before measuring. The set includes a black finish, giving it a clean and modern appearance. Gear performance and usability. In use, the magnetic design keeps the set organized. The spoons stay together when stored, reducing clutter in drawers. During cooking or baking, individual spoons detach smoothly. This keeps the workflow simple and uninterrupted. The included leveler supports consistent measurements. Excess ingredients can be leveled off cleanly, helping maintain accuracy. The stainless steel construction supports repeated use without bending or warping. Each feature works together to support precise, repeatable measuring. Paperclip included capabilities. This set includes 8 measuring spoons and 1 leveler. That covers a range of common measurement needs. The magnetic stacking system adds value by improving storage and accessibility without adding extra parts or complexity. The core strength of this set is balance, durable materials, magnetic organization, and practical spoon shapes designed for real kitchen use. It's built to make measuring more consistent and more convenient. That's it for today's kitchen tool review. The Spring Chef Stainless Steel Magnetic Measuring Spoons set stands out for its durable build and magnetic organization. If you're looking for a gadget that actually makes cooking easier, this one delivers consistent results. Don't forget to subscribe to Lucky's Kitchen for more honest, hands-on reviews of the best kitchen gadgets. We'll be back soon with another tool you'll want in your